Well, I'm doing something a little different today. I in a barn with an old Trans Am. Well, not too old, but it had rats or mice, whatever, chewing up the electrical. So I'm gonna take a cable apart that got totally ruined, and I'm gonna fix it together or resolder everything together and splice it together. So take a look.
So this is the cable. You see they did a nice number on it. So that comes up into here. And it shoots down over there. So I'm going to take that apart. I should be able to pull the cable through and have a look. Well, that's where the cable is chewed. So that is going to be one heck of a job to repair. Let's see if I can dig that all out. Okay, I got all the cables back spliced together, heat shrunk. I'm just going to wrap it with tape and feed it back through and then hook up the computer again. So hopefully we can get the car started. And it's one big step. Okay, all taped up and fed through. Now I just have to hook up the computer again.
And there it is, it's running. Well, even the dogs are happy.
So it needs a really good clean inside and out. The rats or the mice just chewed up the hell of the inside. So yeah, even the headlights work.
You happy, camper?
Yes, sir. My passenger window doesn't work.
Well, that is something we can look in after. Yeah.